Virginia Gaeta, Aversa, Napoli Centrale, Salerno, Gioia Tauro, Villa San Giovanni e arriverà a Reggio Calabria.
There's something to be said about walking through ancient ruins. So many thoughts surround you, just trying to imagine what everyday life was back then, walking through these very streets. We finally got here after a really long train ride. Where'd Dad go? It's way over there. Yeah, then we just got off our 2-hour tour, which started off on a little bit of a bumpy start. We had to wait like 30 minutes for this tour guide, which is crazy. But we got done. We just got done seeing the city, don't fall. And now we're going to go to Sorrento shortly. Oh, breaky break, right, Mom? Alright. Right. Go look at the volcano first though. Hopping on a train south of Naples, you'll find yourself down in Pompeii, an archaeological site that was once a thriving Roman city. Now, Pompeii's a sad story that I don't think anyone really saw coming in 79 AD. Or maybe they did. And maybe just didn't expect it so soon. Many people think that lava flowed down on Pompeii, but this actually isn't true. The town was buried under ash after the eruption of Mount Vesuvius. It was actually the ash that allowed the site to be preserved until it was rediscovered in 1748. To know nothing of what happened before you were born is to forever remain a child. Cicero.